Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very good day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you hide a story on Snapchat. So let's just continue to Snapchat app. Here you can see in the bottom left your chat icon. Click on it. Now you need to press on the Bitmoji avatar for half second like this. After that you can see in the middle story settings. You need to click on privacy settings, which is under story settings. Now you can see my story, which is on. Click it to make it off. Now click on done. This person won't see your story anymore. Let's just try another one. Click on done. So guys, this is how can you hide a story from your friends. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.